Question number 7 says that find the mean and the variance of the following frequency distribution. We have to find the mean and the variance of the following frequency distributions. Okay. Now, first we'll calculate the mean of the data, and then we'll calculate the variance of the data. So do one thing. First, make the table. Okay. So make the table. So we have a class here. The class starting from 0 to 13, 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120 to up to, so 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120 to 150, 150, 150 to 180. Okay, and 180 to 120, 180 to 210. Okay. And the corresponding frequencies are given as 2, 3, 5, 10. Frequencies are 2, 3, 5, 10 and 3, 5, 2. 3, 5, 2. Okay, Bisal, I got the yes. Okay. Okay, let's complete this question, this class, and then I will solve that questions. Okay. First, let's continue this class. Okay, Bishal. Yeah, I will tell you about the test. Okay, let's complete the class and then I will told you the class. Okay, so first we'll have to find the mean of the given data, and then the variance of the data. So first we'll have to calculate what are the class mark which is denoted by xi. Okay, so tell me one thing, what will be the class mark of the interval 0 to 30? What will be the class mark of the interval 0 to 30? Class mark means the middle point of the intervals. So 0 to 30, the class mark will be a 0 plus 30 by 2, that is equal to 15. Similarly, class mark of the interval 30 to 60, it will be a 45. Class mark of the interval 60 to 90, it will be 75. And the class mark of the interval 90 to 120, that will be equal to, yes, the class mark of the interval 90 to 120, that will be equal to 105. Class mark of the interval 120 to 150, that will be 135, and that will be 165, and this will be 195. So these are the class mark of the intervals. Okay, now we'll apply a formula. Yi is equal to xi minus a. A means we'll assume that the assume mean is I'm taking the middlemost value. Suppose this one, this is our a, so assume mean I'm taking as 105. Okay, so yi will be xi minus a by h. So if I use this formula, so it will be the upper portion you can see. Just a second, give me a moment, second. I think now we can see the board, isn't it? Now we can see the board. Now is the whole board is visible now? Okay, this is the exercise number 15.2. Okay, so that will be 0, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2 and 3. Now find a square of yi square, so that will be 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 1 0 1 4 and 9. Next, find the value of fi yi, means multiply the yi's with fi. So this is your fi column and this is your yi's column. So multiply this number. So 2 into -3, that is equal to -6. 3 into -2, that is equal to -6. 5 into -1, -5. 10 into 0, which is equal to 0. 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. 5 into 2, it is 10, and 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. And one column we have to form fi into yi square. Fi into yi square means multiply this column and the corresponding frequencies. Okay, so do the multiplication. So 2 into 9, that is equal to 18. 3 into 4, that is equal to 12. 5 into 1, 5. 10 into 0, which is equal to 0. 3 into 1 means 3. 5 into 4, that is equal to 20, and 2 into 9, that is equal to 18. Okay, whenever you form the table, then find what is the sum of the frequency. Just add this number and tell me the result. Add this number, sum of the frequency, and tell me the result. Just add this number and tell me what is the frequency of the given data, total frequency of the given data. 30. Very good. This is 30. So summation of fi is equal to 30. Now find the summation of fi yi. Add this. Okay, so plus 6 and minus 6 will cancel each other. Minus 11, and this is plus 13. So minus 11 plus 13, that is equal to plus 2. And now find the sum of all fi yi squares. So add them. So if you add them, it will be 30, 50, 60, 60, 71 and 76. 76, I think. Isn't 76? Yeah, 76. Okay, so now we'll two questions are here. First is we have to find the mean of the data, and second question is we have to find the variance. So first we'll calculate the mean. So mean equal to now look, we know formula to find out the mean of the data. So mean, the formula for mean is a plus summation of fi yi by summation of fi into h. Okay, this process is called to finding the mean of a data by step deviation method. So we are applying here the step deviation method. So put the value and do the calculation. Value of a is 105 plus summation of fi yi. Look, summation of fi yi is equal to 2 by summation of fi is equal to 30 into h. H means the length of the class. So the length of the class is obviously 30, isn't it? So it is 30. Now do the calculation. So 105 plus 2, that means the mean will be 107. So this is the mean of the data. This is the mean of the data. Okay. Up to this portion you have already solved in previous class. In class 10 we have solved this type problem. Now we have to find the variance of the data. Okay, I'm rubbing this portion. Now the variance of the data is given by sigma square, and it is defined by summation of fi yi square by summation of fi, or you can say n, minus summation of fi yi by n whole square into h. Okay, this is the formula to find out the variance of a given data. Now all the values are known here. Summation of fi y square, that is equal to 76, put it here. So that is equal to 76 by 30 minus, this is a 2 by 30 into 2 by 30 into h means 30. Now multiply it and solve it. Multiply and solve, we'll have the answer. So if I do the multiplication, so it will be 76 minus 2 into 2 by 30. 2 into 2 by 30 means 4 by 30. 2 into 2 by 30 means 4 by 30. Okay, so now you just I have done a mistake here. It is not h, it is h square. So we have to multiply it by 30. So 30 into 76 minus 4. Okay, now multiply 30 and 76, and from there subtract 4. Multiply 30 and 76. So 2280 minus 4. So the final answer will be 2276. 2276. This is the variance of the given data. This is the variance of the given data. Okay, question is completed now. Now tell me, do you have any problem in this question? Anyone? If you have any problem in this question, tell me. Anyone? Have you understood or not? Tell me. Otherwise we will go to the next question. Shall we go to the next question? Okay, let's go. Okay, you just have a look on the next question. Our next question is question number 8. Okay, so you just make the tabulation first. Make the table. So here we have to find the mean and the variance of the following distributions, and the data are given here. The class is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, up to 50, 40 to 50, and the corresponding frequencies are given 5, 8, 15, 16, 6, 5, 8, 15, 16 and 6. Okay, from this data we have to find the mean and the variance of the distributions. Okay, so first what we have to find out? We have to find out the class mark of the data. Class mark, which we denoted by xi. Okay, so what will be the class mark of the interval 0 to 10? Obviously it is 5. 0 plus 10 by 2, then 15, then 25, then 35, and the class mark of the interval 40 to 60, it is 40 to 50, it is 45. So whenever class mark is known, okay, let us consider this 25 as a. We are consider assume mean a is equal to 25, and then we'll apply the formula yi is equal to xi minus a by h. Okay, so if we apply the formula, it will be 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 2. Okay, yi are known. Find the square of yi. So yi square, so 41014. Next column will be fi into yi. So multiply fi and yi. So this is your fi and this is your yi. So multiply the corresponding elements of fi and yi. So 5 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 10. 8 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 8. 15 into 0, which is 15. 16 into 1, that is 16. And 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. And last table is fi yi square. Okay, means we have to multiply the element of fi to the corresponding element of yi square. Okay, so do the multiplication. So 5 into 4, 20. 8 into 1, 8. 15 into 0, which is equal to 0. 16 into 1, that is equal to 16. And 16 into 4, that is 24. Okay, now we have to add them. Okay, so tell me what is the sum of the frequency. What is the sum of the frequency? Add this data and tell me the result. Sum of the frequency. Very good, it is 50. Okay, now summation of fi yi. Summation of fi yi. It is 10. Very good, 10. And a sum of fi yi square. Fi yi 68. Okay, 68. Okay, so all values are known. All values are known. Now find the mean of the data. Therefore mean equal to mean x bar is equal to, apply the formula a plus summation of fi yi by n into h. Okay, now put the value. That is a means 25 plus fi yi means 10 by n means 50 into h. The value of h here, it is 10. Okay, so that means 2. So 25 plus 2, that is equal to 27. So mean of the given data is equal to 27. Okay, so mean is completed. Now we have to find the variance of the data. Okay, so may I rub the board here? We have a less of space to write. May I rub the board? Okay, I'm rubbing the board. Okay, so now find out variance. Variance sigma square is equal to, the formula is summation of fi yi square by n minus summation of fi yi by n whole square into h square. Okay, now put the value. Summation of fi yi square, that is 68 by 50 minus this is a 10 by 50 into 10 by 50 into h square. H means 10 into 10, that means 100. Okay, now multiply it. So it will be a 68 by 50 into 100 minus, it is 1 by 5 into 5 into 100. 4. Okay, 2. So multiply 68 and 2 and then subtract 4 from here. So 8 2 is 16. 136 minus 4, that is 132. So 132 is the variance of the given data. Okay, understood, students? If you have any problem, you can tell me. The questions are very easy, isn't it? Yes, sir. Okay, so look, my time has completed for this class. Okay, so we can't solve more problem today. No problem. Whatever problem I have not done yet, we'll solve in the next class. Okay. Okay, and yes, yes, don't go away. I have to take your attendance also. Just wait a second.